Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Instagram on your Mac and use it just like a standalone app. No downloads or third-party software required. Let's get started. First, open Safari. You can click the Safari icon in your dock, or press Command plus space, type Safari, and press Enter. Once Safari is open, go to Instagram.com and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Next, look at the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click File, then choose Add to Dock. A small setup window will appear. You can rename it to Instagram or anything you prefer. When you're ready, click Add. You'll now see an Instagram icon appear in your dock. Click it, and Instagram will open in its own clean, dedicated window, even if Safari is completely closed. And that's it. You've successfully added Instagram to your Mac. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more useful Mac tips.